03 Element. We're doing that bushing. Basic. Take that axle nut off. Underneath, there's one bolt. We're gonna pop that off, 17 millimeter. And then there's your bushing that we're gonna replace, 19 millimeter. And another side where the holds that arms, 19 millimeter as well. We're gonna pop that, and this little, to be honest, I don't even know. Yeah, whatever they're gonna call them. I think that's 14 millimeter. Pop that off. This air arm's gonna come down. You gotta have a V-bar to knock this joint out, so it's easy. And all these tricks that we're seeing on YouTube that people say, oh, this is the easiest way. You could get this tool. To be honest, if you got a lot of miles on it, you need a hydraulic press. Harbor Freight's got them, 200 bucks. That's a 20 ton. Or you can get a smaller one for 100 bucks. We're gonna go from there. I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna get all this stuff off and then get it on the press and then show you how we got it out and then show you how we put it back in. There's a little trick to it. Looks like we got it by using the old mount. We're gonna start pulling it off. So yeah, this is what we rent from AutoZone. Believe it or not, it didn't work for this application. Maybe for another car it might, but for us it didn't. And you know what, to be honest, even if it was, if you got an older car, it's probably rusted out. This is not gonna do it. I mean, God, whoever can do it, you know, props up to them, but we are gonna use the tools from it. You know, we went to Harbor Freight and bought this this little thing right here. I kind of need them for my work, kind of line of work for machinery, but you know, and it works well. So we are going to use the 3 pieces. This is the brand new, this is going to be our bushing that we're putting back in. And here it is. So basically, lay it on top, cap, and crank it. And you know what? Careful, it makes a big clunking sound. It actually kind of puckered us up a little bit when it thumped like that. So all right. Just tight. All right, so now we're getting there. You want to make sure that nothing, you know, everything's like clear from it. You're not like putting pressure in the wrong areas, and next thing you know, you're like, oh, why is it not coming out? Or you're putting too much pressure. Kind of get it centered. All right, we're kind of locked in, and now we're gonna pop it. There's that. One. It's still pumping out, man. There we go. There we go. So all this pumping, I mean, can you just imagine using that thing? And mind you, we did put yesterday, because we actually tried using the tool, you know, run a lot, put all kinds of, you know, that something penetrator. I don't know if it's WD-40, but whatever, so it is oiled up. So now we're gonna try to get that new one put in. And to be honest, we're actually gonna use this one to put the new one back in. We use those couplings now to take it off, but now we don't need them. So this thing comes with these plates, so just as long as that goes in the center of that, you're okay. We're actually gonna put this, we're gonna use this original one. Seems like it worked the best for us. You know, maybe somebody else got a little better trick, but for right now, this is what we're using, and it worked great for us. And then, actually, I use this 1/4 inch, just a piece of steel plate that I have, you know, just to lay it on top to just kind of get us centered. And I just use a metal plate and then slowly push it down while kind of like, if it goes in sideways or cockeyed or something, you know, you kind of just adjust with it, but you just kind of just go slowly, and it slowly starts to put itself in. You can see it kind of going in, and boom, it just goes in a little bit, straightens up. And I'm using the old bushing once again. It just seems like it works way better. Well, right now we're just bottomed out on this, so we're just now gonna release it up a little bit. Have this thing go back up. We gotta move the jack up. There we are. We had to just readjust the thing because we kind of went too far down. That looks like it. Take this middle piece out. There's your old bushing. Back into play. I mean, it's even's what I'm gonna get. So here it is. Now we're just gonna put it in. If you could look at it, we already replaced them. You know, we're stopping videos and doing that. We only got 4 hands, so we need some help. But there it is. It's replaced. Everything's back to normal. One of the tricks that, you know, with axle nuts is if you start the car, if someone's here, they can slam on the brakes. It's easier for you to torque it because, you know, you push the brake, that's it, locks the brakes. So a lot of people are like trying to do stuff, but that's a little trick. You know, if you have somebody that's there, slam the brakes, you could do it. Impact gun actually works. We have one, it's kind of acting up right now, but we have to end up using this and slammed on the brakes and back to normal, exactly where the spot was. So we're all done. We're gonna put the tire on. Hell, if you have anything, leave comments at the below.